Ukulele meditation number 2. Let's begin with a specific breath exercise. We're going to breathe in to the count of 5 using our fingers as a guide. So we're going to breathe in for 5, hold our breath for 5, exhale for 5, hold our breath for 5. We'll then play notes in this pattern. Are you ready? Breathing in. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Use the corners of your mouth. Hold. Hold. Now play notes at random. Become aware of your breath. Would you like to play what I'm playing? I'm playing C, B flat, A, and then follow it with a C. Just stay with this simplicity for now. Place most of your focus on your breath. More will be revealed, but you'll be able to absorb it when you are present. I'm going to introduce a few more notes. Next string up, same frets. Follow it with C. Breathing in and out. Two more notes. Second fret. And open. You just played the Mixolydian scale. It sounds like a scale exercise for now, but just stay with this. When that happens, you smile. Now, make patterns. With no rush. No rushing. Listening the way we listened in exercise 1. Now what links these ideas together is rhythm. Keep your ideas very simple at first, so you can stay connected to yourself. Then set yourself free. Notice the effect if you repeat a note. Beginning there. Again, the scale, just to remind yourself. Going back and forth between the scale notes and the root note C. So, how does this tie in with meditation? We are returning to the breath, Returning to accepting whatever is coming out. Remember exercise 1. Yes. Yes. You might notice as you begin to play in this way that themes begin to emerge. Hello, goldenrod, thank you. Themes. And themes, rhythm really ties them together. Dun, dun, da, 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 da. So we are improvising, but improvising not in the sense of playing complex stuff over chord changes. That's a different game, and that game can eventually become as clear as this. But we start with the foundation of listening closely to ourselves, accepting what's coming out, and then sculpting it. If your phrases are simple enough that you can sing them back, then you know they're clear to reach the audience. Bo-do-do-do-do. Bum-bum-ba-da. Ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-dum-ba-da-dum-dum-bum. One more time through the scale, because I know you're going to want to jam on this. Return to your breath. We're going to end with a breath pattern that we did at the beginning. Just know the mind will love to make things complex. How do I play that position? How do I play that same scale in every position? What are the harmonic implications of playing the A over the C? That's all great stuff to understand. But as you're improvising, as you're meditating in this way, let those thoughts pass by like clouds, and you stay connected to the sky that's holding, the blue sky that's holding all those clouds in place. Connect with your sky-like nature, the ability to watch the thoughts go by. For now, just immerse yourself in the beauty of the sound and what it feels like to be immersed in sound. More will be revealed. In for 5. Hold for 5. Out for 5. Hold for 5. One last time. Play one last note. And the wind joins in. More will be revealed. Thank you for watching. Hope you'll click subscribe, share this video with your friends, and check the links in the video description below for more about what I offer with Ukulele Zen. Till we see each other again, wishing you and your loved ones good health, many blessings. Keep on jamming.